Guys, and I'm back. I'm going to show you, this is a snake I just caught. Sorry, I had to put the phone down. It's a red-lipped Harold. It is venomous. If it bites you, you get headaches and you start vomiting, but it isn't fatal. So it's fine if you guys catch a snake. If it bites you, don't worry at all. You're just going to get a bad headache. While I was looking for the armor-plated lizards, I found the snake. So yeah, and guys, they eat tree frogs, rain frogs, lizards, geckos, all sorts of things. Okay, guys, please subscribe and thank you very much.